In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Grok AI login issues. Fast Fix 2026. We'll move quickly and clearly so you can get back into Grok without the hassle. Start by opening your browser and heading to grok.com. This ensures you're on the official site before you try anything else. If you see a prompt to continue with your X account, that's expected. Go ahead and sign in. While you can browse around without always staying signed in, logging in helps save your progress and ensures your access is properly linked to your subscription. Once you land on the homepage and see the Grok AI interface, you're in the right place. Most login problems come from a few common culprits: stale browser data, issues with your X account or subscription, regional availability limits, or temporary server outages. Let's start with the fastest fixes. First, refresh and relogin. Sign out of X completely, close the tab, reopen X, and sign back in before returning to grok.com. Next, check that your X Premium or Premium Plus subscription is active, since Grok access depends on it. If you're in a restricted region, toggle a VPN on and set it to an eligible location. If you're already using a VPN, try turning it off or switching servers. Then, try an incognito or private window to bypass any extension conflicts. If it's still not working, go a bit deeper. Clear your browser cache and cookies. On Chrome, Edge, or Brave, press Ctrl+Shift+Del on Windows or CMD+Shift+Del on Mac. Select Cookies and Cached Files and clear the last 24 hours. On mobile browsers, open Settings, go to Privacy and clear browsing data. Temporarily disable extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or VPN add-ons. Then try logging in. If it succeeds, re-enable extensions one by one to find the culprit. Verify your X account is in good standing and not suspended, locked, or under review, and make sure your contact details are confirmed. If you see a region message, use a reliable VPN set to the US or UK, then clear your cache after turning the VPN on. When in doubt, check whether it's a broader outage by looking at service status sites, or the #Grokdown tag on X. On mobile, update the X app to the latest version. On Android, clear the app cache in Settings, and if needed, reinstall the app. Finally, match errors to quick actions. Login failed or invalid token usually means an expired session. Clear cookies and sign in again. Grok is not available points to region or subscription. An infinite loading screen often traces back to an ad blocker or a weak connection. That's it. Apply these steps and you should be back in Grok fast.